today I have with me Samiksha Bhobir, the recent 2009 winner of the Samrat Sangeet Sitara. Hi Samiksha, pleasure to have you on our Dreams Unlimited. How does it feel to be crowned the winner of Samrat Sangeet Sitara 2009 in Goa?
Well, it's really a big victory to me, and I'm feeling very great as I got a lot of publicity and people are recognizing me very well. Even if I go out, people they stare at me and I'm like I'm left wondering who they are. But then I realized that I'm the fourth Samrat Sangeet Sitara. Well, it's really a great thing for me.
So now you've kind of become famous.
A lot.
A lot. And normally it did happen for some for the Sangeet Sitara that people voted for you, yes. And you are the one who got majority votes.
Yes.
So how does it feel that now you're on Prudent and in front of the same viewers who voted for you, and like it was all like on SMS? So
it was actually voting Ashilens, but the majority, what should I say? For winning the award, the majority importance was for the judges' perception.
Okay.
Okay, so no.
It didn't count a lot.
Voting was the secondary thing.
Okay.
But people have voted me wholeheartedly. I really want to thank all of them who have given me a lot of blessings through votes. And that's it.
Okay, that's it. Okay. And normally, like on Indian Idol, on any of the big reality shows on TV, we always see that the winning person is crowned because of the votes.
Yeah.
But did you ever think like if it was only votes, and like sometimes even on these reality shows, a good singer is dropped out, yes, because of the votes. So do you think that it was a good decision in Samrat Sangeet Sitara not to make voting completely compulsory, or did you have full confidence that people would vote for you?
No, see, the voting thing, if you ask me, it is what Samrat Sangeet Sitara did was a good thing. You know, if voting was so important, I mean, I don't want to say that voting is totally bad as such. It is required because we are artists and we want to know what people think, what Rasik feel about us. So it is on secondary level, it is fine. Otherwise, what is the use getting the judges and big artists and asking them to judge us?
Okay, fine.
So they are the main people who are going to actually judge us and bring out the X factor from out of us.
Okay.
But what reality shows these people do?
So you don't agree with them?
I don't totally agree, but I feel it is money-making business.
It's money-making business. Okay. Now, if you just look behind me, you can see an array of all trophies and prizes won by Samiksha, and these are not all. She has another table full of them. So, Samiksha, you've got so many trophies. How many do you have in all?
Well, recently I have not counted, but I think they should exceed 59.
59? Yes. Oh my God, that's quite a lot. And at what age did you get your first trophy?
Well, this is my first trophy.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
This black one. It's very first trophy. It's quite old. And I think I was in third, fourth standard.
Third, fourth standard. So how many years back was that?
I'm very bad at maths, so I think it was 15, 18 years back.
15, 18 years back. So you've been getting trophies since 15, 18 years.
Yes.
And your recent one being the Samrat Sangeet Sitara.
Yeah,
okay. So now that Samrat Sangeet Sitara has happened, what is going to be your next immediate step?
Well, my next target is obviously Saregamapa, because I feel there's going to be a lot of competition. And I'm so busy with my Guru Purnima programs and I have not prepared yet. So basically that's my next.
So have you auditioned or are you going for the auditions?
No, I already finished up with the auditions. Now it's the Mumbai shooting round.
So which song, which thing did you sing for your?
Well, I don't know, but I may go for some rare song maybe.
Rare song?
Yeah.
But something classical?
Not as such.
Not as such.
A rare album song.
Okay, okay.
Not a famous one basically.
Okay. So in Samrat Sangeet Sitara, when you were a part of it, did you have a feeling that you would surely win the title?
Well, my sixth sense was saying the thing that I would win because as compared to others, I was the senior
Most experienced?
most experienced, and senior most I would say in classical.
Okay.
Yeah, because that I've taken this stream very seriously, so I had that instinct.
In you.
But I mean, I did not keep a hope. अशी आशा दवरून आशिल्ली त्या हाजे बद्दल की म्हाका प्रायज जायच अशें बी.
Okay.
So, and then I got the award.
Okay. Like now you are already used to winning a lot of trophies and various laurels at singing competition. So suppose you have not won, or like in future if you do not make it through, can a winner like you have won so much, be able to take it very easily if you kind of lose?
Yeah, well, I feel winning and losing is not the only thing in life. You know, you should aim
win.
high, but I feel like these competitions and all are just to boost you up.
Okay.
You shouldn't be dependent on it. So whether that is my principle,
Okay.
and I for this I think Samrat Sangeet Sitara झाल्या 3 वर्सां झाली, and my mom was like saying you should participate in this competition. But I was like saying ki no baba चड ल्हान भुरगीं आसा, I am already established artist, so I shouldn't participate. But then I felt like okay, Samrat Sangeet Sitara team was giving more importance to classical, and I felt like okay, I should participate because Goa is a small place and you should keep participating in these competitions. So accordingly I participated, I got the award, but even if I had not won, then it wouldn't have made any
difference.
such difference to me, because हाज्या पयलीं हांवें कॉम्पिटिशनांनी भाग घेतिल्लो आसा आनी एखादी आवाज बरोबर आसल्यार म्हाका प्रायजां मेळूंकूय ना. म्हाका तितलो कांय फरक पडना, बिकॉज बीइंग ऑन स्टेज I have a lot of craze for stage. I like performing on mic and all that. I like
entertaining
the crowd. So that's my ultimate aim.
Okay.
And even if हे award म्हाका मेळूं नाशिल्लें, it wouldn't have made a big difference.
Samiksha, I'm sure like a lot of people get influenced by the TV and this Hindi pop and Hindi filmy songs and all. How come you chose classical, and at what age did you choose classical?
Well, I feel to be a singer, classical is the base, and that's what my parents asked me to do.
Okay.
I learned classical music at the age of 5. I used to go with my parents because they also were learning.
So your parents also were learning?
Yeah.
So you were accompanying them?
I was very small.
So you are so just for pastime?
I was going with them, and then suddenly I don't know, I just started humming, and I don't know, that sir who was teaching my parents, he just had a glance at me and he recognized the thing in
talent
me.
In
the talent in me. And then I was my sir, whose name was Rajendra Singh Bhat, was a very famous basic teacher, I would say, and each child should learn from him.
Okay.
ताणे मागीर म्हज्या पेरंट्साक सांगलें की चलयेक आपल्या म्हऱ्यान धाड शिकपाक, तें बरें जातलें फुडें, बिकॉज दे इमिजिएटली कम टू नो द टॅलंट. आनी मागीर ताणें म्हज्या आवय बापायक सांगलें की ह्या चलयेक आपल्या म्हऱ्यान धाड, आपूण ताका बरें ट्रेन करता अशें. सो दॅट्स हाव माय जर्नी वेंट अहेड. And magir I never knew that I would turn up so seriously towards classical, or not classical as such,
but just singing
in dance. So
when did you decide to take it up professionally?
This is after completing my 10th standard.
Okay.
And Tenna Sudha, I was not like serious about classical. I knew that I had to do classical, without which I can't go ahead with any type of music. So magir I was supposed to go to Dharwad to learn classical music, but then I was very small at that time.
Why aren't there sufficient teachers in Goa?
There are, but
Not so experienced?
yeah, maybe.
Okay.
आणि full fledged करता जाल्यार I feel that there should be some exposure also,
Okay.
which Goans have, but तितलें अशें मेळना
No
exposure.
wholehearted
Yeah.
selflessness.
But then I felt that this was wrong, and I found my sir took me to Kamlakar Naik, who's the principal of Goa College of Music. आणि त्यांच्याकडे हांव 4.5 वर्सां शिकलें, and actually I got the disha म्हणटा तशी, I got the way,
The path to success.
yeah, path to success, and he showed me the drishti of classical music.
Okay.
आणि तेन्ना म्हाका दिसलें की बाबा क्लासिकलान कितें तरी आसा, हें करूंकूच जाय.
Okay.
बट स्टील आय वॉज नॉट शुअर. आय यूज टू डू प्रोग्राम्स आनी म्हाका सर सांगतालो की नाका बाबा क्लासिकलूच कर, तुका मागीर तूं एनी टायप ऑफ म्युजीक यू कॅन सिंग. बट स्टील आय वॉज नॉट सिरियस. And actually the turning point was during IFFI days.
Which year in IFFI?
2007. Yeah, 2007.
2007.
When I came back from Mumbai.
Okay.
आणि मागीर तेन्ना I was supposed to meet music director Ashok Patki.
Okay.
I brought my profile and
The one who composed music for Savarya.com?
Yeah, and especially that Radha Hi Bavari.
Okay.
Savli picture. And that movie was a turning point. I sat with him, besides him in fact, and I watched the movie because it is that Savli picture is mainly based on music only. And I was like shocked to see that, and that movie was a turning point in my life. And from that day I decided, no, I will do classical because that is the secret of any music.
So now that you have turned professional, what are some of the projects you have in mind where it comes to professional singing?
See, now we are planning to have a group.
Okay.
And we are planning to form a orchestra as such, and basically we have a higher aim.
Okay.
We are looking out for IFFI programs on a bigger scale.
So you're not planning of moving out of Goa or something like that?
Definitely, if I get clicked in Saregama, then I will not come back to Goa.
Okay.
But
so you're keeping both the options open?
Yeah.
If not this,
yes,
then this?
Yes.
Okay.
And I have 2 of the albums coming forth.
And who has composed the music for that?
One I feel is, I yet don't know who's the music composer, but
it's going to be in
he's a Carolite. No, it's in Konkani.
It's in Konkani. Okay.
But they are planning to have it in Kannada also and Hindi also.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and one is will be releasing, I feel, in August.
Okay, so you are not planning of cutting your own album?
Well, not yet. But I'll definitely accept the opportunities coming ahead.